Welcome to Smart Dollar, $1,000. That's it, just $1,000. You know what that number means for most Americans? It means your car doesn't break down and destroy your life. It means you don't panic when an unexpected bill shows up. It means you finally have a little breathing room. But here's the painful truth. Nearly 60% of Americans cannot cover a $1,000 emergency expense. Not because they don't work hard, not because they don't want to save, but because nobody ever showed them how. So today, that changes. I'm going to give you a real, honest, step-by-step plan to save your first $1,000 in just 30 days. No gimmicks, no get-rich-quick nonsense, just a simple system that actually works. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will have a complete action plan in your hands. Let's get into it. Let me ask you something honest. How many times have you told yourself, I'll start saving next month? Once I get a raise, I'll start putting money away. I just have too many bills right now. Sound familiar? Here's what's actually happening to most people in America right now. You wake up, you go to work, you pay rent, you pay utilities, you grab coffee, you fill up your gas tank, you pay your phone bill, you get groceries. And by the time the month is over, the money is just gone. You didn't waste it on anything crazy. You didn't go on a shopping spree. It just disappeared. And the worst part, next month, the exact same thing happens again. This is called the paycheck to paycheck cycle. And right now, over 60% of Americans are stuck in it. Not because they're bad with money, but because the system was never designed to help you save. Every single day, you are surrounded by things designed to take your money. Subscription services, one-click shopping, buy now, pay later, coffee shops on every corner. The entire economy is built to make spending easy and saving feel impossible. And when you can't save, you feel stressed, you feel behind, you feel like everyone else has it figured out except you. That feeling, that shame, that's exactly what keeps people stuck. And here's where it gets really scary. Let's say your car breaks down tomorrow. Transmission problem. $900 repair bill. What happens? If you don't have $1,000 saved, you put it on a credit card. Now, you have $900 in credit card debt at 24% interest rate. You make minimum payments. 3 years later, you've paid over $400 just in interest. A $900 problem becomes a $1,300 problem, all because you didn't have $1,000 saved. Or let's say you lose your job, just for 2 weeks. No savings means you can't pay rent, you can't buy groceries, you're calling family members for help, you're taking out a payday loan at 400% interest. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to show you the real cost of not having savings. And it's not just financial. Studies show that people with less than $1,000 in savings report significantly higher levels of anxiety, relationship problems, and even health issues. Money stress is real stress, and the number one thing that would reduce that stress for most Americans. Just having $1,000 in the bank, not $10,000, not $100,000, just $1,000. So why isn't everyone doing it? Because they think it's harder than it is. Here's the twist that nobody talks about. Saving $1,000 in 30 days does not mean you need a huge income. Let me prove it to you with simple math. $1,000 divided by 30 days equals just $33 a day. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't have $33 a day to save. But here's the thing. You don't find $33 all at once. You find it in small leaks. Little holes in your budget that are draining your money every single day. That daily Starbucks coffee, $6 a day, $180 a month. Subscriptions you forgot about. Average American pays $219 per month on subscriptions they barely use. Eating out for lunch every day, $12 a day, $360 a month. Impulse Amazon purchases average $150 per month. Are you seeing this? We're already at over $900 per month. Just from habits most people don't even think about. The money is already there. It's just going to the wrong places. You don't need to earn more to save $1,000. You need to redirect money that's already leaving your hands. All right, let's get into the actual step-by-step plan. Step 1, know your number. Before you save a single dollar, you need to know exactly where your money is going. Open your bank app right now. Look at your last 30 days of spending. Write down 3 categories: fixed expenses like rent, car payment, insurance, variable expenses like food, gas, entertainment, and subscriptions. List every single one. This one step alone will shock you. Most people find $200 to $400 they didn't even realize they were spending. Step 2. Open a separate savings account. Do not keep your savings in your checking account. Your brain will spend it. Open a free high-yield saving account. Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Ali Bank, or SoFi are all great options. These accounts give you 4% to 5% interest. Your money actually grows. Step 3. Cut the obvious leaks. Go through every subscription. Cancel anything you haven't used in the last 2 weeks. Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, gym memberships, app subscriptions, all of it. Average savings from this step alone, $50 to $150 per month. Step 4. The No Spend Challenge. For the first 7 days, you only spend on absolute necessities. Rent, utilities, gas, basic groceries, no restaurants, no coffee shops, no online shopping. Just 7 days. Average savings from one no-spend week, $150 to $300. Step 5. Meal prep. Americans spend an average of $3,000 per year eating out. For 2 weeks, cook at home. Simple meals, rice, chicken, vegetables, eggs. Buy in bulk. Keep your week 2 grocery budget under $75. Step 6. The Weekend Money Challenge. Every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, find one free or cheap activity instead of spending money. Weekends are where most people blow their budget. Protect your weekends and you protect your savings. Step 7. Make extra money. Sell stuff you don't use. Go through your house right now. Old clothes, electronics, furniture, books. Facebook Marketplace and eBay are gold mines. Do gig work for 1 weekend. DoorDash, Uber, Instacart. 1 weekend can add $100 to $200. Offer a service to neighbors. Lawn mowing, dog walking, car washing. Step 8. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account every single payday. Even if it's $50, automation removes the decision. You never see the money, so you never spend it. Here's your 30-day savings breakdown. Subscriptions cut, $100. No spend week, $200. Meal prepping, $150. Weekend savings, $100. Selling stuff, $200. 1 weekend of gig work, $150. Automatic transfers, $100. Total, over $1,000 in 30 days. This is not magic. This is math. Here's what I want you to understand before you close this video. Saving $1,000 is not just about the money. It's about proving something to yourself. It's about breaking a cycle that maybe your parents were in and their parents before them. It's about looking at your bank account in 30 days and feeling something most people never feel. Peace. Financial peace. The feeling that if something goes wrong tomorrow, you can handle it. That feeling is worth more than any coffee, any subscription, any impulse purchase. And once you save your first $1,000, something changes in you. You realize you can do this. And $1,000 becomes $2,000. $2,000 becomes $5,000. $5,000 becomes your first investment. And your first investment becomes your future. It all starts with one decision made today. So here's your homework. Before you go to sleep tonight, open a savings account, look at your last 30 days of spending, and cancel one subscription you don't need. Just 3 things tonight. That's how the journey of $1,000 begins. With 1 step. You've got this. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button because every single day I'm giving you the tools, the strategies, and the mindset to take control of your financial future. Drop a comment below. Tell me what's your savings goal for the next 30 days. I'll see you in the next one.